guys, it's Christina from Redefine Creative, and I am super excited to be starting a brand new kit series. And so my friend Christy suggested that I call this Christina's Gotta Haves. And so that's what we're going to do. So this new kit series is going to be super awesome. I am really, really excited about it. And so we're going to try it out starting in August, and I'm hoping that you guys love it as much as I do. So the basic idea is I am pulling together a kit of just a bunch of things that I really love and want to play with. So this is one of those things where oftentimes I get super inspired when I pull out supplies that I really, really love and I really want to play with. And I absolutely prefer a kit where I can mix new and old product. And so that's what I'm going to do. And each week throughout the month, I'm going to come back and share process videos with you. And we're going to do all kinds of things that are Christina's Gotta Have It techniques. So things like following a sketch, making a quick and easy layout, doing a multi-photo layout, all kinds of things that are really going to apply to no matter what you want to pull out of your stash to play with. So for this particular kit, let me show you what I'm going to play with for the month of August. Some of it is brand new, some of it is not. And let's jump right in. So I'm going to go ahead and move all of these embellishments off my table here real quick. Some of the things you're going to see are things that are from the Redefine Creative store that are products that I'm working on designing that I want to play with. And so you're going to see some of those. And then you're also going to see things from some of my favorite designers and collections and companies. All right, so 2 of the new August stencils in the Redefine Creative shop. This one with the gears, and then this one with these kind of stacked 3-dimensional cubes or mountains or however you want to call it. They're both 12 by 12 stencils, and I am super excited to play along with them because during the month of August, we are focused on stencils over the Rediscover Your Stash group. So I thought that was a perfect time to pull in a couple of stencils that I have been wanting to play with. And then you can see, since this is Christina's Gotta Have It, my favorite papers and collections have to be here. So we're going with really bright, bold, a bunch of layouts for boys planned this month, and I am so excited. So let me show you real quickly the papers that I have pulled, and I'm anticipating I'm probably going to end up going back to my stash for more. But for right now, this is a denim paper from Bro & Company from Simple Stories. So this is one of the newer papers, and it has just a denim look to it. The other side is kind of just a stripe with some of the colors that match that collection, but I am planning on playing with the denim. And then I have one of my favorite papers from Vicky Boot and Let's Wander. It's called Chasing Stars, and of course you know that these are going to get fussy cut. Again, because I think I've fussy cut this paper already 3 or 4 times. And then there's just this really cool kind of polka dot multicolor paper on the back, but I am definitely going to be cutting some more stars. All right, we also have this bright yellow. So a few of these are from Bro & Company Simple Stories, which is their newer collection from them. So this is just a yellow on yellow, and I really kind of like a bunch of these neutrals to play around with. It has some banners on the other side, but I am kind of planning on the yellow. And then from that same collection, I pulled out this one called Live Out Loud that is an orange background, and then it has like blue and yellow and red polka dots. And there's a plaid on the back of that one. But so far, so good. Everything is from different collections. We've got 2 collections mixed together, but everything is matching really well so far. These stars go really well with everything else. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull in this turquoise paper, and this is from one of my favorite collections of all time. So Chamel Field Trip. It is called Here for the Snacks. We've got these really cool leaves on the other side, but I'm going to focus, I think, on this turquoise color because I am obsessed with this color lately. And if this is Christina's Gotta Have It kit, then my favorite color should be in here. So if you are designing a kit to play along with me this month, your favorite colors should be in there too. All right, this one is also from Bro & Company, which is Simple Stories. These are the 2x2s, but I really like this kind of pattern of blue on the back. But then I have all these little cut aparts that I can play with as well. So we'll get that in there for a brighter blue. And then we go back to Field Trip. This one is called Far, Far Away. So it has outer space on this side, but I really love this red dashed line on that side. So as you can see, I really put together a lot of pattern papers that are much more subtle. So I didn't go with anything too like bright and bold. This one kind of breaks that rule a little bit. It's called Seek Knowledge. It has all these really cool multicolored triangles and then just a basic ledger paper on the back. But I feel like this really kind of spices up all of these basic patterns and makes them even more interesting to kind of play around with and layer. And they're all going to work really well with these stencils that I want to add in. All right, so then I also pulled out 2 alphabets. This one is a Puffy White Alpha from Freckled Fawn. And then I have the Field Trip thickers called Curious. So they have the blue and the red. These are some of my favorite thickers ever, you guys. So they are perfect for Christina's Gotta Have It. I literally think that I have bought probably 8 packs of these. Is anybody with me? Like, is anybody else obsessed with these letters like I am? All right, I've also grabbed the Field Trip Ephemera pack from Chamel. So there are 40 pieces in here. Journaling spots and tickets and all kinds of different things. Here for the snacks. I love that one. The little cameras. Oh, I can't wait to dive into this kit, you guys. All right, I also pulled in this cut file, and this is from the Redefined Creative shop. So if you are somebody who does not have a cut file machine and you need cut files pre-cut for you, that is something that we do over in the shop. And this is one of our newer designs that I am loving lately. This kind of like almost vintagey looking film strips, but they make the best layers. So we're going to throw that in the kit. I also grabbed the ephemera pack from that Simple Stories Bro & Co. because I've pulled in so many of the papers. I'm not sure how many of these are going to work because they're not quite as bright in color as the other stuff I have, but we're going to give it a shot. And then I also grabbed these chipboard circles from Freckled Fawn, mainly because I want to be able to use these stars, and a few of these circles I think will work too. And then no Khristina kit is complete without stamps because I absolutely love stamping on my pages. So I've pulled in stamps from 2 of my favorite companies to buy stamps from. So this one is called Big High Five, and this is from Crafty Jen Scow. And it has all kinds of really cool like phrases and icons and arrows and all sorts of things that are going to be really fun to put on my page. And then this one is from another one of my favorite companies, which is Everyday Explorers. And this is one of their new ones, but I really like this for our summer. So like all the bubbles, lazy summer days, water fights, dance parties, tag your it, backyard adventure. I just think these are going to be really fun. All right, and then I have grabbed just a few of the newer embellishments from the Redefined Creative shop. So I have some acrylic to play with this month because I haven't gotten to play with any of our acrylic yet. So we have these little like mini light bulbs. So I've got one of those. And then we have this new one that is the word epic, and I couldn't decide on what color I wanted to go with this kit. So I pulled out all of them. So we have it in 3 different colors. And we're just going to see how it goes with the layouts that we design. So we have red, we have turquoise, and we have black. And we'll decide which one or 2 we want to use throughout the month. And then I also pulled in this pack of all of these multicolored lightning bolts. And I was originally not going to do this, but when my little guy saw these, he was like, "Mom, those are so cool. You have to use those on one of my pages." So in the kit they go. All right, guys, that is basically going to do it for the brand new Christina's Gotta Have It this month. So where I am playing with things that make me happy and are some of my favorite products and companies out there. And I can't wait to show you some of my favorite techniques and ways to get inspiration throughout the month. And I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.